Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable pet mode on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To do it, go to Settings, then go to Reactive Obstacle Avoidance, find Pet, and when you enable it, the robot will recognize cats, dogs, and feces during operation. It takes more cautious avoidance actions. And as you can see, it says due to the influence of ground, environment, pet posture, feces shape, and size, it cannot be 100% recognized. You can also enable pet snaps, so it will just take pictures of your pets during cleaning so you can later view them. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.